How's it going, YouTube? Moises Foz Power Washing. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you everybody for staying in tune, commenting, and all our subscribers. I really want to thank y'all. Making this video right now outside of our shop. It is the 27th of December. It's 2 days after Christmas, so I hope everybody enjoyed their Christmas time, their Christmas break. Hope everybody got their gadgets and all the shiny things that you wanted for this year, and I hope you're back to work. Some people don't understand that in between these days, Christmas and New Year's, a lot of people take a lot of time off. So hope you're, wherever I find you, if you're in your couch eating chocolates, you're at least thinking about pressure washing, right? If you're in the pressure washing industry. Other than that, I want to talk about how this year has impacted us to think about what we're going to be doing for the following year, for this coming year, 2024. So me and the brothers, we had a good day yesterday over cigars and steaks and just brainstorming. If y'all have been following us, most of y'all will know that we started as a pressure washing company. So for this coming year, 2024, we are focusing on just diversifying our time and effort to Foz Power Washing and Foz Solutions, which is our other entity. And as I make this video, I have our mechanic out here. He's fixing, he's going to be swapping out an engine that we just ordered on our F350 7.3 diesel. If you're a truck fanatic, go ahead and check out my brother's YouTube channel. Should be under Wilfredo Foz, and he's got some cool videos of the truck that I'm talking about. But anyways, we started off as a pressure washing company, and slowly, as the months went by and as the jobs excelled, we got bigger and bigger jobs. Pretty much we were able to hone all our resources and give back to the market with Foz Solutions, meaning when it comes to the concrete industry, we're able to wash these trucks, we're able to provide the solutions, the degreasers, the solvents, to get a fleet of ready-mix trucks or even transportation trucks, rig trucks, trailer trucks, washed, which is brighteners, degreasers, anything that you pretty much need to get a truck washed, from buckets to brushes. We can provide it. Foz Solutions can provide it. So that's the direction we're going to be taking for 2024. We're still doing Foz Power Washing, still going to be doing the commercial jobs, the residential jobs, focusing more on the commercial jobs, and residential is still on the forefront. We get those organically, but the commercial jobs is one thing that we definitely want to put on the forefront, not on the back burner, but just making sure that we're doing these big jobs when it comes to Foz Power Washing. So with that being said, I haven't made a video in about 5 months, so thank you if you're watching this. Really appreciate it. Everybody that's commenting, everybody that's asking questions, I really appreciate that. Even if it's the simple question, how much do you price? I get that quite a bit. If I don't respond, it's not that I don't like you, but my thoughts is if I give you a price, you're probably gonna say that's absurd, or you're just gonna say, well, I could do better, or whatever. I really don't care what you say, but focus and be more focused on what you have to provide, not so much on your price. I mean, if you're worried about price, then just charge the highest amount and hopefully you get it, right? Other than that, try to provide value. I'm not saying I'm the cheapest guy. We're not the cheapest. I want to say we're pretty much the most expensive, for sure. One of the most expensive in our area. But other than that, I want to say thank you to everybody watching, subscribing again, and just excited for 2024. If y'all have any questions about what's going to be going on for this year for us, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section. Other than that, appreciate everybody for watching.